Hello, I'm Ken Atwater, president of Hillsborough Community College, and we're excited to welcome the HCC community back to the nest. As we prepare for a return to campus, your health and well-being are our top priority. When you return, you will notice some of the physical changes like signage and social distancing, which we've made throughout our facilities. These videos will introduce you to the new COVID resources that you will see around campus and provide you with some helpful information to keep you and members of our HCC family safe. Welcome back. I look forward to seeing everyone back on campus safely. Welcome back to the nest.
Welcome back to the nest, HEC students, faculty, and staff. While the college might look different this fall semester, we remain committed to providing the educational excellence and support that has helped shape our community with the help of local health officials and the input of our students, faculty, and staff. HEC has created a reopening plan that will help ensure the safety of all us. We are in this together as one college, Hawk Strong. Here is a summary of some of the most important changes and procedures we have implemented in order to keep our community safe. Our Back to Campus plan follows these key principles and goals which align with HEC core values: health and safety, ensuring the safety of our faculty, staff, and students, including health and safety guidance for individuals and community-level prevention. Open access, providing the broadest possible access to education, including flexible options for employees and students. Academic excellence, a phased return to full capacity operations to meet community needs while continuing to meet the highest standards of academic excellence. In order to ensure the health and safety of the HEC community, there are 5 key actions we can all take in order to prevent the spread of the virus on our campuses. Physical distancing. This includes staying at least 6 feet apart from other people and not gathering in groups or crowds. Wearing a mask and face covering. HEC requires all faculty, staff, and students to wear a mask, face covering while on college property. Hand washing. Frequently wash your hands with soap and water for 20 to 30 seconds, or use hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. Cleaning surfaces. Clean and disinfect high-touch, high-traffic surface areas regularly. And the most important, staying home if you are sick or instructed to isolate quarantine. If you are sick or believe you have been exposed to an infected person, please stay home. The primary method of limiting the spread of COVID-19 is for each person at HEC to take responsibility for their health and for the health of their coworkers, fellow students, and faculty. Please remember the following. Only people who have no symptoms should come to an HEC campus or enter an HEC building. All individuals on HEC campuses and with HEC buildings are required to wear a mask. This includes any time another person is in your office, classroom, and areas outside any HEC building. Individuals on HEC property should follow the CDC preventive recommendations, which include wearing masks, physically distancing, washing your hands frequently, and using hand sanitizer. Individuals who develop symptoms while on campus are required to leave immediately after reporting to an instructor for students or supervisor for HEC employees. Remote accommodation will be made for students, faculty, and staff who must leave due to the development of symptoms. Tampa is a community spread region. Individuals who have tested positive for COVID-19 have been on a campus site should self-report to HEC. This is critical step will allow HEC to take the appropriate actions to mitigate the spread to others. Every member of the HEC community must take personal responsibility to ensure that we do not knowingly enter a campus with symptoms and notify the college if we test positive, so that HEC can take the necessary actions to protect others. When a person has a COVID-19 test and is informed that they have an active infection or have tested positive, the following step will be taken. Step 1. The person received a positive PCR test COVID-19 test. Step 2. The individual is required to immediately report the positive test student report to a faculty member or HCC employee, and employee will report to the direct supervisor. An online form has been created for employees and students to use to report a positive COVID-19 report, which can also be used for those who have been in contact with someone who tested positive. Step 3. Once reported to a faculty member or supervisor, the information will immediately be passed to the campus point person, who will make an immediate decision about how quickly actions must occur at a campus or site. Step 4. A positive COVID-19 report will be filed with the medical COVID-19 case manager. Step 5. The medical COVID-19 case manager will assess the information in the report, develop an action plan, and oversee the implementation to ensure the health and safety of the HEC campus and community. Information will be provided to the affected individual about steps needed and timing for quarantine and/or return to campus. In order to facilitate adherence to the guidelines, HEC will provide masks to faculty, staff, and students if needed. Disposable masks will be available at the coronavirus resource kiosk at each HEC facility. However, you are encouraged to bring your own face covering mask. Please reference the face covering mask protocol and video for more details about how to properly take a mask on and off. Hand sanitizer stations will be widely deployed across campus facilities to complement good hand washing practice. COVID-19 resource kiosks will be available at each campus and site where faculty, staff, and students may take their temperature. Please view the COVID-19 kiosk video for more details. HEC will continue to use CDC-approved protocols for the cleaning and maintenance of all facilities, including classrooms, offices, and public spaces. HEC has installed plexiglass shields for high-volume areas on campuses. HEC will work with individuals at high risk for complications from COVID-19 to identify reasonable accommodations through an interactive process. All HEC students and employees are required to comply with requirements in order to ensure a safety and healthy working and learning environment. Please see the Student Code of Conduct for more details. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or concerns about any of the information presented, please reference the HEC COVID-19 response webpage, which includes many frequently asked questions. Students, faculty, and staff can access up-to-date information regarding the safe return to campus on our Back to Campus site on the student intranet.